Welcome to Disney's Coronado Springs. Come along with me as I check into the Gran Destino Tower for the very first time. I will give you a complete room tour as well as a resort tour. We also have Club Coronas level access, so you'll get to check that out as well. The Gran Destino Tower is such a beautiful resort and actually a hidden gem. It is classified as a moderate resort, but it has more of a deluxe or even luxury resort feel to it. The Gran Destino Tower opened in 2019 and is actually the newest portion of the Coronado Springs Resort. The tower has 16 floors and offers over 500 guest rooms. The Gran Destino Tower is completely different from the other three sections of the Coronado Springs Resort. The tower offers a unique blend of Spanish, Mexican, and Southwestern American touches. Coronado Springs has 10 dining options, has 4 pools, 2 gyms, and a laundry facility. Coronado Springs offers 220,000 square feet of meeting space for your convention needs. Guests staying at Coronado Springs can choose to self-park for $20 per night or choose valet parking for $33 per night. So guys, let's go check out our room, go check out the Chronos Club lounge, as well as continue our tour of this beautiful resort. Okay guys, so here is your elevator. These are your buttons to get to the various floors. So we're staying on floor 15, so let's go. So here's our room, 9557. Hi guys, come on in. Well, welcome inside, guys. We are actually staying in the deluxe suite here at the Gran Destino Tower. So I want to give you a tour of our room. We're on the 15th floor. We are in room 9557. So if you're interested in this room, you like what you see, and you want to reserve one, either this room or one like it, you kind of know what to ask for. Okay guys, so as soon as you walk into your suite, right here immediately on the left is a half bath, which I think is so convenient. If you have more than 1 or 2 people staying, you always need that extra space, that extra bathroom. So I just love this. Again, it's right off of the entryway. So you have your sink here, small countertop. That's me. Hi guys. And then your essentials there, your tissue, your bar soap. There's even space underneath, some more tissue, and then space for storage. Some extra toilet paper, the royal throne, of course, toilet paper, some towels, hand towels, and a trash can, and then your light switches here. So, nice and simple, but very nice. Much needed, especially, like I said, if you're having a family of 3 or 4, this nice little extra bathroom is great to have. And then it also has a little pocket door. And then this is the pocket door separating the bathroom from the suite. All right, so when you come in, I just love these mirrors. These mirrors are so beautiful. I'm gonna see if I can get a straight on view, but these mirrors are so beautiful right here. As soon as you walk in, it's just, oh, I love it. So beautiful. So this is our suite, guys. Immediately you can walk in, it's light, it's open. We have beautiful large windows here. Beautiful paintings on the wall. Seating there underneath the TV. Then you have your sitting area here. I do believe that is a pull-out sofa. So again, this room accommodates, I think, 4 people. So that's your pull-out sofa and a chair. And then back here you have work desk, I should say, and light and chairs. Beautiful windows. I love that. Let's see what we can see from the windows. Quite a nice view. I believe there is, I think, what is that? The Tower of Terror at Hollywood Studios. Then you can see the swans on the Swan and Dolphin. So the swans are to the right, dolphin is to the left. In the far left, if you can see, that's Epcot, the ball there at Epcot. So quite a good view. And then from here, it's just the parking lot. And guys, I love this. You have a barn door separating the bedroom from the sitting area. I love that. It's so beautiful. But we'll get to the bedroom in a minute. I want to stay in the sitting room. You have a trash and recycle receptacle here. And then you also have your little, I guess, kitchenette, if you will, or a small little station. So you do have a refrigerator in here. I haven't opened it up, so let's see. I have a small refrigerator, so that is good. A lot of resorts don't often give you a refrigerator, so this is nice to have. Even though it's small, it's nice to be able to store, some snacks, some beverages in there. Okay, so then you have your coffee maker. I believe it's a Keurig. Yeah, Keurig coffee maker, your ice pail, some cups. Then you have your cups and lids for coffee, some creamers, your coffee in your little coffee cups, and some sweeteners. So just a little station here, but just enough to give you that home comfort feel. Okay guys, so now let's move on into the bedroom. So this is our bedroom setup. I love the floors, by the way, they're so beautiful. And our mirror, that's me again. Hi guys. So this is your bed. I believe this is a king bed. So good size room. And you have your phone. And again, the remote control for the TVs have been sanitized and placed in the plastic for added protection. And you have USB cords here, as well as regular plugs or outlets here in the lamp, so you can charge your many devices. Standard nightstand. I love the headboard. And then on the headboard, you have these little night lights. So if someone wants to read at night or just need additional lighting, but they don't want to turn on the overhead lighting or the lamps, you can use the little side lamps there. Bed looks nice and comfortable. So you have an identical nightstand here with the lamp and with the outlet plugs and things like that, and that bed light. And again, another beautiful view from this window in the bedroom. Again, a TV here in the room. Light switches, 2 adjustable thermostats. They're digital. And here are some shelves to store things. You also have a safe in here as well. Looks like you have 2 drawers. And this beautiful mirror doubles as not only a mirror, but also your closet. So in your closet, you have an extra pillow and blanket that have the red zip tie on there, letting you know that those are clean and ready to use. You have hangers, your ironing board. You also have your 2 robes, and there's a luggage rack there. The closet is fairly small. Okay, so now we'll go into the bathroom. This is the master bath. It is separated by a pocket door as well. Well, here is the pocket door that separates the bathroom from the bedroom. So we'll go inside and take a look at the bathroom. So you have your 2 double sinks here. And I love the marble. I love the countertops. They're so beautiful. And your mirror. Just kind of give you a close-up. Your tissue, hand towels. Of course, all your Disney H2O products there for you. So you are pretty well stocked here, guys. You have your cooling aloe gel. You have your mouthwash, your vanity kit, your shower cap. Here you have your sea salt body lotion. In the back here, you have a shaving kit. And then these tall items are your dental kit. So you're pretty well stocked here. Beautiful, well-lit mirror. I love it. You have towels here in the middle. You have your hair dryer. And you have some more tissue if you should need it down there. You have your wastebasket, your towels. You have more hand towels as well as face towels and body towels on this wall. Oh, I didn't forget the mirror. You have a mirror here. So if you need to do your makeup or hair, you need a additional mirror, you have that. And then this is your shower, which I love. Shower hooks here. And then this is your shower. It's very, very beautiful. It's not overly huge, but it's functional, good size. Glass doors. You have your 2 shower heads, so your handheld and then your overhead shower head. So you have your conditioner, your shampoo, and your body wash. So this is the shower. And then again, there's another pocket door in the bathroom separating the royal throne from the rest of the bathroom. So the pocket door, and then you have your royal throne here. So all in all, a pretty good setup, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about this deluxe suite. all in all, I'm pretty well pleased with the suite. I believe it's beautiful, just enough space. The only thing that I was looking forward to that this suite does not have is a balcony, guys. It doesn't have a balcony, even though it has amazing windows and amazing views. I've kind of been spoiled with balcony views here lately. So that's the one thing I'm missing, but other than that, it's clean. It's very beautifully decorated. I just love the decor in here. It's functional, it has just enough space. It has everything pretty much that you need. They thought about everything. So I love it, guys. It is so beautiful. So I can't wait to continue on and take you on this journey. Let me know, guys, in the comments below what you think about this suite, how you like it, if you stayed in this suite before. Again, this is the deluxe suite in the Gran Destino Tower. We do have club level access, guys, so I'll take you to the club level. But that's a separate, well, it's included obviously in the room package, but you had to ask for a club level. So I'll take you in there, but essentially it's an area where you go and have appetizers, desserts. So we'll go check that out. Okay, guys, so this is the Chronos Club, the club lounge. It is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
And we've already been to the room.
Yes, we've been to the room, 9557.
Perfect. How is everything?
Wonderful,
Okay,
yes, thank
perfect.
you.
Love that. Make sure we've got everything taken care of. About the club, kind of our storyline, most important hours of operations for our food and beverage and what you can kind of expect during those times.
Okay.
As well as our phone number here. This is
Okay.
a direct line to us, so if you need us for any reason throughout your stay, please give us a call. Don't
Perfect, we'll
hesitate.
do.
Or come visit us. Either way.
Awesome, we'll do. Okay, guys, so this is the club level lounge. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I just love it in here. And so at 9 p.m., you actually can come and sit in here if you like, and you get wonderful views of the fireworks here. So we'll probably come back out here, or come here, stand around 9 to look at the fireworks. But it's just so beautiful. They do have, I believe, a TV in here, just so you can kind of see what it looks like in here. And so they have books here if you want to come and read and just lounge. So we're here a little early right now, but at 5 o'clock they will be having hors d'oeuvres. But this is the refrigerator with the beverages. There's a microwave in here as well. So I guess I'll come back when they actually have things out. Almost forgot to film what we got. So this was the food we had for our hors d'oeuvres for the club level access, Coronas access. So it's actually a pretty good spread. So we have penne pasta with spaghetti meat sauce. We have a paprika smoked salmon. We have potatoes. We also have cheese and olives and cucumbers, asparagus. We have red pepper hummus and bread. So pretty good spread here. So I've already dug in a little bit into the spaghetti, not bad. So I'm enjoying that. Like I said, again, it's all included with the club level access, and it was crowded as soon as I think even before, like hors d'oeuvres were served from 5 to 7, and I think they started serving like 4:50, 4:55, because I was there like 5:01 and half the stuff was already being restocked, replenished, and there were already plenty of people in the club lounge. So I just wanted to show you our plate. Hey guys, so I just want to check back in with you. We actually just finished eating. We did get the hors d'oeuvres from the Coronas Club, or the club lounge. And I am stuffed, guys. It said hors d'oeuvres, but the food was awesome. It was really good. I enjoyed it. I just want to check back in with you. So next time I see you, hopefully will be during dessert. Okay guys, so we just got back from getting the dessert for the dessert hour. at the Coronas Club lounge. And so this is what we have here. We got a little bit of everything. I wanted to try a little bit of everything because I didn't know what I was gonna like. So we got the 50th anniversary chocolate cupcakes. We got some brownies, some blondies, some cookies, some chocolate cake, and some other delectable desserts, as well as some milk. And they also had hot chocolate down there. So I'll probably make that in the morning. But here is our dessert. We're about to dig in. So they do have movies on the lawn. So tonight's movie is Hocus Pocus, because Halloween is just around the corner. I believe they are showing Halloween movies. So Hocus Pocus is the movie of the night. So yeah, it's a small little screen, but looks like people are enjoying themselves. Not too overly crowded, just a few people out. But this is the movies under the stars. Okay guys, so we're just going on a little stroll this evening, just to walk off some of the food and just kind of peruse around the resort this evening. I'm walking around a little bit, so I'll kind of give you a view of what I see. There's actually quite a few people out walking tonight. Okay guys, so we made it back to the room to see the fireworks just in time. What a beautiful view of the fireworks right from our window, from our room. Okay guys, so this is the continental breakfast, and it actually is a pretty good setup. It's actually a really good continental breakfast. So we have oatmeal, we have a spinach and pepper frittata, we have potatoes, breakfast potatoes, there's sausage underneath the toast, there's yogurt, there's different bakery goods, and just grab some orange juice. So not a bad setup for a continental breakfast. Well, good morning everyone. It is a beautiful morning. We just finished our breakfast, our continental breakfast. So now I'm just going for a morning stroll. Okay guys, here is one of the 4 pools. I didn't get to film the main pool because it was just too crowded, but I just wanted to at least show you one pool. Okay guys, so I just wanted to quickly show you the gym. There are actually 2 gyms on property. This is the gym in the Gran Destino Tower, but there is another gym for the other sections of the resort. After we finish here at the gym, we're gonna go grab a quick bite at the Three Bridges restaurant, so you don't want to miss that. Oh my gosh, look at this guys. Just so beautiful. It's like the beauty just continues, guys. This is just so beautiful in here. So this actually connects you from the Gran Destino Tower to the other resort areas. Oh, I just love this. This is beautiful. Time to eat, guys. We made it to the Three Bridges restaurant. And I have to say, guys, I think this is one of my favorite restaurants on Disney properties. I just love the overall feel, the ambiance, the vibe of this restaurant. The food was amazing. We had an amazing server named Panda. He recommended 2 great appetizers. The peppercorn wings were like something I've never tasted. They were so good. Oh my gosh, guys, you've got to try that. He also recommended this cheese dip, guys. Oh, I don't remember the name, but that was great as well. And for our main entree, we just had a cheeseburger and fries, which were also very, very good. Guys, what better way to end this resort tour than with a lovely dinner and a beautiful view? Guys, I truly enjoyed my stay here at the tower at Coronado Springs, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tour. I thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload videos. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing, and you get to follow me along my journey. I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.